Can I, Jim, boost my posts on TikTok? Super easy, and I want to do it, get results. I'm so confused with Ads Manager. Should I do it in TikTok? And in the next section, I will show you how to do it step by step. But today, now we're gonna look at the pros and cons. Should we do it? Should we not do it? So let's start with the pros. Super easy to set up. Way easier than going to the Ads Manager, setting up the tracking, so on and so forth. Super easy. You will be done and dusted in seconds. You will see quick results. What do I mean by results? Not sales, but profile visits, followers. I mean, if you're trying to go viral, that's your goal maybe, and you cannot do it, you will get a lot of views if you pay TikTok the little bribe they want to get your content in front of other people. And it is ideal for beginners. As I said, if you're really confused, it's super simple. Again, this is ideal for beginners. If you have no idea and you say, Jim, if I dive into this Ads Manager, I'll be super confused, then cool, you can try and test this. But if your goal is sales and leads, not ideal. Also, you can increase a content that has gone viral, for instance. You can push a little bit more money behind it, and you can actually increase your views further. And you will see some content, they don't have any other content that they're going viral, and it is hard to track. And the easiest way to track if they're boosting their posts is you can see the engagement of their comment section and their other posts. If some of their posts are just 200, and one of them is like 2 million, and you will see that post is boosted, and that is the pro of it. Let's cover the cons. What are the cons of using this platform? Number one, you have a limited targeting options. That is a big problem. You're not going to have purchase intentions, hashtag interactions. You're not going to have device targeting options. They're going to give you a really limited tool set to play around with. The second one is the biggest one. If your goal is conversion, sales, or leads, that is not ideal. That usually 99% of the time underperforms compared to doing things in Ads Manager. And the next thing, which is a big thing again, this thing we covered, you have limited reporting and tracking. Again, you have limited number of results that are going to be presented to you by TikTok boosted posts. But if you do it in Ads Manager, you will have a lot more metrics to dive deep and see what is going on and why those things might be happening. And you have fewer optimization settings. You don't have an A/B testing function. You don't have a proper. These are the pros and cons. I only suggest, if you definitely want to, I only suggest boosting for profile visits or video views. Other than that, if your goal is sales and leads or actually learning a skill, I do not suggest it. All right, guys, now we are in boosting your own posts. As I said, it is not always the best way, always not the greatest tactic to grow. The reason I say this, because you literally giving TikTok the dollars behind it instead of getting the algorithm to work for you and actually drive people to see your content and getting the best hook. So it is just finding the easy way, in my opinion, if your goal is not sales or leads. So let's take a look at what we can do here. So this content is, let's say you want to boost that post, right? I will just show you. It is totally up to you. So you're gonna say click on these three dots here, and then once you scroll right, you will see this flame icon. You can see the flame icon at the story save video and the increase views. So you're gonna click on this increase views, and that is basically a sneaky way of TikTok to saying boost this post. So if you wanna boost this post, it will give you choose your goal at the top, boost account. Again, if you want to boost a post, you want to go with these ones. Otherwise, for everything else, get sales and get leads, I suggest doing that in Ads Manager like I showed you, because you're going to have much more control. You have hashtag interactions, purchase interactions. Here you don't have much control. You want to boost your account, it's let's say like $5 a day, $10 a day, really small budget, right? You can see there's recommending one video views in one day. If you push $32 a day, you will get this many video views. So that kind of like makes sense. I mean, if your goal is video views, actually, if you choose followers as a goal here, choose your goal, you can see the number of video views you get is a little bit lower. They cannot give you a specific you're gonna get this much followers, but that is quite hard. But you can see they actually give you how many video views you will get based on your goal that you choose. If you choose profile views, they will give you an estimate of how many people will give you, and you can see your default. Define your audience. You can say I want to set a 65 budgets a day, and budget is likely to increase your yes, cool. And duration, you can say 7 days or 8 days, or you can say, you know what, choose a promotion pack, which are pretty common. This is the thing that I want. Cool. You can say that, or you can click customize. Again, set your data. And once you customize this, guys, you have the ability to choose a targeting. You can see, you can name your audience, let's say marketing related audience, and you can select your location. The thing with this, guys, for locations, you cannot target other countries, in especially United States. So if I want to type in United States, it doesn't allow me. So if you want to target different countries, you definitely do it in Ads Manager. Still, this have a little restrictions or downsides, I would say, for you to boost this post. And let's say we can do only Victoria in Australia. Cool. I will boost the post in Victoria, and you can see my estimated audience size goes down a little bit. And gender, age, you can arrange this. Let's say I have a male dominant audience, and these are the age ranges. That's cool. And interests, you can select education as an interest, and if this is basically the audience that you have, it's a little bit narrow. They're gonna suggest make it a little bit bigger, and you can see the audiences, the interests we have are really specific. It is not even close to the one that we saw in Ads Manager. We have product purchase intentions, we have hashtag interactions and stuff. We don't have anything like that. It is really basic. It is not bad. I mean, if you don't want to work around it, you just want to, like, I'm just gonna boost this post in and of itself, don't care about any results, I just want to get views, then that is good. But if you want sales, guys, I really do not suggest using this here. So you can see the audience that I created, marketing, and it will take people to the link on your landing page. So you have boost live, get leads, boost account, boost sales, a lot of options in terms of like what you want to choose. But I suggest, if you're gonna boost the post, choose either 3 of them: more video views, more followers, more profile visits. If your goal is leads or sales, do not do it here. It's a big no-no. And then you have a preview of the ad, let's say, and then we have price deductions. They're giving you a coupon code, and if you pay, your promotion will be live. So let's go over how we did it. Views, and we have boost account. Let's say we have video views, and let's click on this one, for instance, or you can just customize it. I usually prefer customizing it. Let's say I want to pay $4 a day, really small, and I want to spend this in 30 days. I want to invest 30 days, $4 a day. That's good. And I want to show my ads to people in marketing. Cool. I want to increase my brand awareness. And once you pay, bam, that is up and running. Get you to spend money. That's why they're gonna make it way easy for you to spend money. So that's the whole point of these platforms. But if you ask me, I'm not a huge fan of this strategy. The only thing that I want, some clients usually want that. They don't want to have a business account and so on and so forth, some complicated stuff that might be happening. Their profile is linked to a different business account, and then I might boost it in the platform and get them some views. All right, that was it, guys. This is how you do it. And if you want to actually run sales and leads campaigns, which I suggest, do it in the Ads Manager. All right, see you in the next one.